Artoonza.
Glitter gift box time. Today we're drawing the cutest gift box with polka dots, a wrapped present, and a bow so sparkly it might blind your crayons. Honestly, who knew a box could look this fabulous? Mine usually just holds socks. But not today. We're dropping glitter, painting like wild artists, and even sneaking in nail polish. Shh, don't tell my mom. By the end, you'll have a sweet, shiny present on paper that looks ready to unwrap.
So cute.
Give us your like. Our tiny vacuum is not naughty. It's glitter hungry. Nom nom nom. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Plop, plop, splash. These yellow drops look like lemon juice went to art school. Color injections. One tiny drop, maximum giggle dosage. This is so amazing. Give us a big thumbs up. Color, color, color. This gift box is rocking polka dots like it's going to a fashion show. Wrapped, present, and beautiful. Polka dots activated. Boop, boop, boop. This gift box just learned to party. Color, color, color. Smash that like button now. Uh-oh! Nail polish alert! This gift box is getting a makeover fancier than my mom's Saturday night. Plop, plop again. Now it's purple. Looks like grape soda just exploded on our wrapped present with a bow. Don't be shy, color high. This is so amazing. Polka dots everywhere. This gift box looks like it just had a candy sprinkle shower. Give us your like. Warning, this gift box with a bow might be too cute to open. Good thing it's stuck on paper. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.